There is a place where truth matters, even if most people don't pay attention to it. Our organization is always searching for those who appreciate the truth.
If any child is caught cheating, they will be executed. Excused. Will be excused.
And our criteria for approval may be considered mysterious.
Mr. Benedict, we have our team. Hello?
I'm the aforementioned Mr. Benedict.
You all possess a quality that is lacking in our society.
Rainy, your intuitive understanding of human nature.
Sticky, your reservoir of knowledge.
Constance.
Your defiance of conventional thought patterns.
Kate, your uncanny feel for how things go together.
What is it that you all have in common?
I see fear and bad fashion.
You're very unpleasant.
Okay.
You're the only ones capable of seeing the truth, then together you are immensely powerful.
We're asking you to go on a mission that can only be accomplished by children.
There is a sinister force brainwashing us. And yes, he is my twin brother.
So, you need a bunch of smart orphans to do a deadly mission. I get it.
Ideally not deadly.